Hey guys, SHOT Show 2020 here on the show floor at Marcolmar. Marcolmar, some really good stuff. Dave, thank you so much for coming on board.
Hey, my pleasure, Miles.
No.
Good to see you.
The pleasure's all ours, and we are happy to see you again. If you haven't checked it out, we've got videos with Marcolmar on the channel as well, shooting some of PKMs and some earlier UK 5.9s, right?
Yep, UK 5.9s and UKMs.
But this is not a UKM.
No, this is not. This is our new CETME-LC.
So tell us about it.
Well, the CETME is the last roller lock gun developed for any military. It was developed by the famous CETME Design Bureau. It was fielded by the Spanish from about 1982 all the way till the early 2000s. And this model is actually still used by Spanish police and special forces.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you had earlier versions.
Yeah.
And this one is a folding stock that you guys have. You guys just come out with.
That's correct. This is, out of the 10,000 part sets that we have, only 640 are the LC or collapsible stock models. And now everybody thinks it's just the addition of a stock on the end, but much like the FAL and the Parafal have different internals, this does the same. It has a different cocking piece, a different bolt carrier, and a different mainspring housing.
Wow, that's completely unlike modern stuff.
Very different than the HK setup on the G3 and the HK33 series.
Gotcha. MSRP on these?
MSRP is right at 2,000.
And this is actually an SBR.
It is an SBR.
Right there. And you have plans to make a pistol?
Yeah, we do have plans to make a pistol. We're going to come up with an M16 AR-15 backplate that allow you to use pistol. And then the other option that you've got, Miles, is our blind pin system.
Okay.
Which this is the same gun, only in black.
Okay.
We only use Cerakote Elite Series, the top coating. And then right here we have a blind pin. This is actually milled from a single piece of steel. And then all they have to do after their Form 1 is take the blind pin out, unscrew it, and you've got the CETME-LC.
Gotcha. So the barrel only comes up to here.
That's correct.
Right. Okay, and this is essentially a faux extension.
That's exactly right.
Okay. And that allows, what is this? And it allows the length to be 16 inches overall.
Correct.
So you don't have to have an SBR. You can
No.
have the same thing.
And then the guy, whoever buys it then can file their own Form 1 paperwork. And then once it comes back approved from the government, they can play with it in the full configuration.
Yep.
Once it comes back from ATF, then they can do their modifications.
Which the original LC was of this configuration here.
That is correct. They were that configuration.
Gotcha. Cool. MSRP on this one?
MSRP on that is $2,075.
And you can order these by just calling you guys, right?
You can call us or go online at www.marcolmarfirearms.com.
Okay.
Or CETME-L.com.
CETME-L, okay. And then this guy with the SUSAT.
Yeah, this is a very rare model. We only have 140 of these to build. One of the top 5 special forces groups in the world is the Spanish Marine Special Forces Unit. This is the version they used in Desert Storm. This is an original, not a reproduction, original SA-80 SUSAT scope.
Yeah.
We were able to get those out of the UK with its own proprietary rail. This is a 3-position rail. It's in its middle position now. So based upon your ergonomics, you can move it forward, move it back, move it in the center. And then we utilize our same 1-in-7 cold hammer forged barrel nitride fluted to give them a designated marksmanship rifle that the Spanish Marine Special Forces units used.
Gotcha.
And only have 140 of those to sell.
Okay, and then just to reiterate on all of these, this is original CETME furniture and material apart from a couple parts, right?
It's the only thing, it's original military parts that we bought from the Spanish government.
Yeah.
We build the receiver and we build brand new furniture.
Gotcha. But other parts like the bolt and stuff, those are from parts kits?
Yeah, from parts kits. The bolt, the carrier, the trigger, the sear, etc. are all original parts.
Gotcha. All right. And then how much is one of these?
$2,400.
$2,400.
But you get an original high quality optic with it as well.
Outstanding. That's pretty cool.
Thanks.
All right. What else do you want to go over?
Well, the other thing we have is we have our CETME-LV. This is the LVS. This is the LV, which is the original Army version of the designated marksman. It does not include the Enosa scope, but those are out there. And it also is one of the first gen original Stanag scope mounts. So a Hensoldt or a Steiner scope that the G3 would have used or the HK33 slaps right on there. And you've got the original designated marksman rifle. Only 140 of these ever came in the country too.
Interesting. How much are these running?
They're 2,000.
2,000. Sounds good.
And that's it.
All right. Well, thank you, Dave, so much.
You're welcome, buddy.
Yeah, and we really need to get an episode on these. It's been a long time coming.
Well, this spring or summer, we'd love to have you out.
Let's do it.
All right.
All right, I'll see you around.
Thanks, man.
Here. Cool, that was perfect.